Rimchakswa sakandikon yang ni getal gaba video na ang ni bimungan shilarian siat sangma. Dal ni video de yan rejat ni bidingo adita discussion ka anirang kwan ching nakna gata mangen. Yan Home Minister Lahkmen Rimbui Assemblyo discussion ka anirang ko nakna gata manenga na simangba knairang na gata mangen. Yan rejat genok na ni dongja yade anching coming soon san ongayade bisong dausa discussion kainga basakon gen wakude nambe dake confirm onge agan nam gita mankuja unigeman na simang ongija chanchi panabe anching na simang ba video ni kurangko knairang na gita mangen maiko golpoenga na simang ba talbati masina gita manaigen unigeman na getal madiong odia channel ko subscribe kaido nang pabo jeta kode getal video rangko niksot na gita mangen anching dau jol video bisongni discussion kanirangko knairang skana.
Regarding the delay in police recruitment, so like all honorable member, there is a concern regarding the shortage of policemen in the police department. We have so many vacancies. Vacancies have been advertised since 2019, and due to this pandemic, we lost about 2 years of time. And after finishing the, in some, not all, the examination, the test, and some results have been ready for declaration. But as I said yesterday also for teachers that we are preparing the roster. In fact, just last week, I myself, with the Secretary of Home Police, we said that if there is any way that this result of the recruitment could be declared, and moreover, not only declared, so that the balance vacancy could be advertised at the earliest. Because now, sir, it is not like the other department. Once the result has been declared, appointment could be issued in a very short notice, and the people could join their job. But in police, after declaration of result, after appointment, they have to undergo also the training. So this 5-10 months, if you not decrease, so many vacancies will be there. So we understand that the need how to declare, but as I said, we are trying to work out how this result of recruitment could be declared as early as possible. And regarding the case of or regarding the judicial report, sir, the government is not shying away from